what this is. It's a peptide cream. Packaging to must. Wow, look at the packaging. Okay, I'm feeling so hot right now. मेरे फ़ोन में space नहीं है और मैं ऐसा time pass करके record करते रहती हूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Nykaa Pink Summer sale just got over and entire YouTube feed is filled with Nykaa Pink Summer sale recommendations. I don't like to watch such videos as well, but here I am with a haul video. I did shop quite a number of items actually, a lot of makeup, affordable makeup of course, and I really like when these sales do freebies, kind of like get attracted to those freebies. So I did pick up a lot of items और इतने बड़े box में है सारे सामान, so I thought why not share with you guys quickly. And बहुत सारे new makeup products है which like I have not tested them, I've not used them as well. So if you guys want a review, definitely I'm gonna do a full face of these products for sure. But yeah, let's quickly dive into the video and see what all I've gotten. So let's begin with what all I have from Inside Cosmetics. I did pick up quite a number of items. So I did pick up two products from Professional range, and the first product is Inside Professional Duo Drama Eyeshadow, and I picked up in the shade Mystic Froth. So ये इनका dual eyeshadow है, एक में शायद glitter है और एक में crayon sort of है. I don't know why I picked up this shade. Let me give you a swatch. This is a purple shade. I haven't used any of these. This is the shade. Looks quite good. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to look for my skin tone, and it's quite pigmented as well. And this is the glitter shade, which is quite pinkish for my liking. I would have liked it if they had given both of these shades like a cohesive together, if it makes sense, like if both the shades go together nicely. But these two shades look very different from each other, so that's the reason I like swatched it side by side. So if you see the pink, this is purple, and both of them are very different. But individually I feel this pink shade is quite good. If you're fair skin tone, I think it's gonna look good. Even for me, I think I can pull this shade off. It's like a metallic shade, it's not glitter whatsoever. I hope there's no ring light today, and I really hope you guys can appreciate the shade. So that is the first product that I picked up. And the second product that I picked up from the Professional range is the Sheer Radiance highlighter, and I think this is in the shade Amber Aura. This is the highlighter, liquid highlighter. It comes with this sponge applicator. Actually it's quite nice to travel with. I really appreciate when brands do that. And let me see, I haven't swatched it either. So this is what the highlighter looks like, and oh, I don't see any shimmer or glitter particle. Wow. Yeah, this is very nice. Wow, so nice. So this is how the highlighter looks like, you guys. It is very nice. I cannot see any shimmer particle whatsoever even if I come close. I'm sure this is going to give me that wet look. I'm really looking forward to use this. I'm a liquid highlighter person. I don't like powder highlighter, and I definitely don't like those stick highlighter at all. Then I picked up another product from Inside Cosmetics. This is a Superlast gel eyeliner. I think this is a very new launch. Really love gel eyeliners in particular, that rather than liquid eyeliner. So this is a different kind of packaging. So it comes in a packaging like this, and you open this, there is a brush, and you twist this open, and here is the product. I did use this twice, to be honest, and it did wear off the entire day, but I wouldn't call this a smudge proof eyeliner because it's very hot right now in Mumbai, and I did travel by train, local, and etc. If you smudge your eyes, if you like rub your eyes, it's definitely going to go off. But one good thing that I liked is it did not transfer onto my upper lid. That is my like biggest pet peeve, so that did not happen. I really like the brush because it's very nice, and it's very jet black as well, so I'm gonna give it's very smooth, very jet black. It's really nice. I wish it was smudge proof, but I don't mind it. I'll definitely use this. So this is how the liner looks like. It's very, very jet black. So for the price, I think it's a good deal. Then I picked up another product. This is again Inside Cosmetics Lash Perfection Mascara. So they have come up with 3 mascaras, and I wanted to try this one. I really like when they have like a dual mascara thing going on. So this one is the volume side, this one is the curl side. I love the packaging. Actually it's rose gold and very nice. So this one is the curl one, and no, volume one, and this is the curl one. So the curl one has this curve shape. I did use this twice actually. The curl wand is okay because lashes are naturally curled up, but the volume wand is very good. So for one day I used the volume first and then I used the curl side. I did not like it, but the other day I used the curl side first, let it dry for 30 seconds or so, and then went ahead and applied volume. It did give me good volume. Oh, it's for 480. It's not that inexpensive. Like, you can get a very good mascara from Mass Cosmetics and Hilary does mascara, etc. for 300 rupees or so. But for this price, I wouldn't call this as a wow product. That's okay. Then I got one freebie because I purchased so many items from Inside Cosmetics. They did give me a freebie. This I haven't swatched. This is the Mega Last Crayon Lipstick and I am in the shade Returning Favors. I haven't swatched it yet. This is how the shade looks like. So I think this may wash me out. This is a pink shade, or it may not wash me out, but I have so many lipsticks. I don't think I need another lipstick. I think I'm gonna put this for a giveaway. Picked up couple of items from Etude House because again they were doing sales, and Etude House का new launches हुआ है. Again मैं बहुत ज़्यादा उससे attract हो गई थी. So the product that I got from Etude House was this soft fixing tint and I am in the shade Cold Ice Pink. So basically मुझे इसका packaging बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लगा. Do you guys see? This is so cute. And again I'm not so sure about the shade because this is very cool tone jettak wala pink, but this is a tint. It kind of leaves a tint behind, so maybe I can use this. I have to use this because it's expensive. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a jettak wala poppy pink color. Smudged so nicely. See, the pigment is so good. So I think, yeah, it's very blurry, you guys. I don't know whether again you can see or not. It's very blurry, and oh, I actually cannot see the texture on my hand, so that's nice. Picked up one more mini fixing tint because Etude House ke fixing tints are one of the best formula. They are so long lasting. So I picked up the smaller version and this is in the shade Cranberry Plum. The reason why I picked up this shade is because almost all the shades in the mini ranges were out of stock. So this shade looks gorgeous, guys. This is again a cool tone pink, I think, but it is quite deep and it's not that bright. So I think this I can pull it off. And for the fact I know I really love the formula. So because I got these two products, I got two freebies. The first one is a mascara. I didn't know Etude House has mascara. So this is the Curl Fix Mascara. Love the cute packaging. Cannot have enough mascara. So this is how the wand looks like. I think it's gonna come handy when I'm traveling. But before that I have to put this to test whether it's waterproof or what. Then I have one more mini fixing tint they have given. Glow tint. And this is in the shade Mauve Mint. So this is also a freebie that I got, but again I'm not sure about the shade. I think I will make it work. This is how the shade looks like. So this is a glow tint and this one was the fixing tint, I think. Yeah, this is a matte tint and this is a glow tint. I have not used their glow tint from Etude House, so I'm really excited to use this. I think I'll definitely use this. It's kind of deepening as well. I think it's a tint, so it's gonna leave a tint. Oh my god, the Etude ka jo ye soft fixing tint hai, this is so blurry, you guys. I can actually not see any lines on my hands. And I have a lip liner from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Matte to Last lip liner in the shade Chai, and I had my eye on it. I already have a Chai bullet lipstick, you guys know. And this is the Nykaa Matte to Last bullet lipstick in the shade Chai, and how much I've used it and loved it. This is my OG favorite. I use it every day. So I thought, why not pick up the liner as well. Why I pulled out the shade is because I wanted to show you, is there any difference between these two shades. So this is how the Nykaa Chai looks like. Very gorgeous shade. This is how the Nykaa Chai looks like, and let me the packaging is so nice. Let me swatch it side by side. Okay, no, they don't look identical, they look quite different. Of course guys, please bear with the swatches here. I'm gonna do a full face of all this makeup. I'll be doing that video in front of my ring light or natural light, so don't worry about all the swatches. This is just a quick haul video. But if you guys can appreciate, these two shades are quite different. This chai has more red towards it and my red tones into it, and the liner has like more browns to it. But nevertheless, I love the shade of this. I think I don't own a brown lip liner of this shade family, so I'm very happy about this. I picked up two products from PAC Cosmetics. Again, I got a freebie. I was feeling FOMO. People were just talking about cushion foundation, so I thought, why not pick it up? So I picked up this PAC Spotlight Cushion Foundation, and I am in the shade Deep 310. And this one was the last shade. And oh boy, I'm disappointed by PAC Cosmetics for the first time. I've been using their products since the time they had launched. I'm talking about 2016, and whatever products I've used, I've enjoyed it. Even now, I have so many products from PAC Cosmetics. Their biggest advantage even back then, 10 years down the lane, where they were shade inclusive, and I don't know what happened. This is a darker shade and I picked up. It comes in a very beautiful, gorgeous packaging. Love the packaging. It also has this mirror. With all the cushion foundation almost have the same kind of a packaging, and you open this up and this is the shade. Initially when I saw, I thought, okay, maybe it will suit me, but this shade is so light for me, you guys. See, when you swatch it, it's very light, and I'm so disappointed. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. I'm definitely going to make this work. I know I'm not gonna like not use this product. Wait for my review and let me know if you want any products review like in a separate form. Like if you want me to review this cushion foundation separately, I'll do that for you guys as well. Then I picked up this PAC Matte Touch Compact Powder, and this is also, I think I'm in the shade 150 Tan, and if I'm not wrong, I am in the last shade on this as well. This is a matte compact powder, and I was running out of my compact powders anyways. I don't own a single compact powder. Even the packaging looks so gorgeous, like it's chumma packaging. So this is how the shade looks like. Again, it comes with a sponge. Wow, what a packaging. Love the packaging. But this is also the last shade, and I think even this shade is quite light for me. This is very light. Oh, look at this shade, you guys. Look at this shade. How can this be a darker shade? No, this is very light. I'm so disappointed by PAC Cosmetics and my money also. Like, why did I impulse purchase? I could have not bought this, but because I bought two products from PAC Cosmetics, they gave me a PAC lip crayon, XOXO lip crayon, and I am in the shade Hug Cartel. Yeah, again, this shade looks quite this is not a twistable packaging, this is a sharpenable. This shade looks quite pale nude, and I don't think this will work on my skin tone, so I'm gonna keep this also for giveaway. I've not swatched it even once, and I have a lot of lipsticks. I really don't want to swatch it and like it's gonna to be just lying around there, so I'm gonna keep this also for a giveaway. Then I picked up the very viral Maybelline compact powder. Okay, so this one was also something that I felt FOMO, and I picked up the Lash shade 330. This I saw a lot of swatches, then only I picked up. Wore it for my work today, in fact, and it wore off so nicely. I even hit gym after the same makeup. I did not touch up, and it wore so nicely. It has coverage, you guys. This is the shade I'm talking about. Initially I thought it's going to be dark, but it has like a very nice warmth to it, and it मुझे अच्छा लगा ये. Plus it's matte, and it's very beautiful. The texture is so nice. It gives very good coverage. Plus it does not enhance any texture on your face as well. It also comes with a sponge which I've already used. Mirror भी है, बहुत मस्त, amazing. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये compact powder, so totally worth it. Then I picked up one lip tint from K Beauty, because again, this is not lip tint, this is a jelly blush wand. How many times Malvika Satlani has raved about this jelly wand, so I really wanted to pick this up, and I picked up the shade Strawberry Crush. I could have picked up the purple or the pink one. I don't know why I went with this shade anyway. What I don't like about this is the smell. It has that weird candy strawberry smell. I don't like it, but I don't know what I think about this product because it does not show up on my lip. I have to keep swatching. Maybe it will give a slight bit of red hue. That's about it. Looks like a tinted lip balm, to be honest. I haven't used this on my cheeks, so again I don't know. See, like मुझे इसको बहुत बार ऐसा rub करना पड़ रहा है, तो I'm barely getting some like shine. It's very glowy, so I don't know, this is not going to work on summer on my cheeks definitely for sure because it's very glowy. और थोड़ा टाइम होने के बाद थोड़ा उसमें red tint आता है, but it's not long lasting and it's not, I mean it's not a tint, it doesn't leave a tint. So I don't know why people are raving about it. I'm yet to use it. Maybe I like it, I'm not sure, but as of now I'm not wowed by it. Last couple of products that I've got is from Plum Body Loving. Again, this was going so viral. This is the Boardroom in Bora Bora body lotion. I think Plum Body Loving has revamped their entire game, and I've always loved their body ranges. Like, I've been using their body lotions since more than 4 years now, starting from the caramel one, vanilla caramel, then I used the marshmallow one. Now I'm hooked on to hazelnut eclair, and now I got this one. And I even picked up the shower gel. The shower gel is just 250 ml, you guys. I'm so not happy. 250 ml कितना जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. मुझे ये cost effective नहीं लगता है. 250 ml for a shower gel for this much price, I don't feel it's cost effective. That too for someone who takes shower like literally 3 to 4 times a day. I just randomly picked it up. Okay, it's like a perfume in a bottle. Oh, it's very floral. Oh, they have the notes written down here. Top notes, heart notes, base notes. No wonder it's like perfume. It has jasmine, orange blossom, saffron, caramel, dragon fruit, moss, vanilla. I don't know. Again, they have the same notes written. So I'm gonna definitely use this and update you guys. Then I have 2 freebies from Plum Cosmetics. Do you guys see the pattern? Whatever I've picked is because of the freebies. Like, I've gotten freebies on almost all the brands. That's the reason I picked up. So they gave the summer mixtape body mist playlist. Such a new cute packaging, and they have all the 3 the new launches body mist actually. So this one is the Boardroom in Bora Bora, which we just checked. This one is the Petals on the Rocks, and this one is the Tropic of Discussion. Nice names. मैं ऐसा sniff करके तो आपको बता नहीं सकती क्या है. Wait for the review. Then I have this product. This is the Pepti Charge Rejuvenating Creme with bifida and exopeptides. I don't know what this is. This is again from Plum. They gave I think this is serum or something. Packaging.
Wow.
I'm gonna do ChatGPT and tell you guys what this has. Oh, this packaging has a cute little heart here. I mean, why? Do I have to break it? That's about it. That's the mini haul, mostly affordable items except for the K-beauty and the Pack Cosmetics maybe, but I did get off a very good discount on them as well. I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if you guys have bought anything from this Pink Summer sale. Usually during these sales I pick up a perfume or a very high-end, like if I want to buy a concealer or a Clinique Moisture Surge, I usually stock up those products and buy a perfume maybe, but this time I didn't feel like anything, and I wanted to pick up some affordable makeup because makeup is what we love. So let me know if you guys wanted any individual review on any of these products, and I'm definitely going to do full face of these products for sure. I think that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.